Hi, I'm Ross Brown, the owner and builder behind eHaus Waikato. Come with me and I'll show you why I truly believe this is the best house on the street. I know that's a bold claim, but here at eHaus our goal is to build exceptionally high quality homes that are just really good to live in. So this ventilation unit provides the house with fresh filtered air, replacing the air in the house approximately every 3 hours. Supplied with fresh air 24/7 with all pollen, dust and pollution filtered out. Considering the amount of time we spend inside our homes, that's got to be good for you. A healthy building is not just great for its occupants, but it's also great for the building itself. A healthy structure is more robust. Being thermally stable, it needs less maintenance and handles weather extremes a whole lot better. Joinery is one of the things that we measure and evaluate in the design process of building an eHaus. We install hot water heat pumps to supply your domestic hot water. These are approximately 3.5 times more efficient than a conventional electric hot water cylinder. You'll notice right here just how thick the walls are, and that's attributed to the volume of the insulation that we use in the walls. As well as costing less to maintain, right from the onset of the design process, we employ some seriously good building science. We value comfort, health and performance. eHaus are often an attractive option for those sick of living in cold houses, who want to downsize, or who want a healthier space for their children, who are focused on energy efficiency, or just want to grow older in a warmer, healthier home. Level entry doors to make getting in and out easier. A level tiled shower, great for those with limited mobility. We've thought about features such as a kitchen garden where you can grow your own food. The home is already pre-wired for solar PV. We can arrange adding panels for you if you like. And if you have an electric car, no problem. There's heavy duty wiring already installed in the walls, suitable for an EV fast charge unit. I'd really love the chance to show you more about the construction of this house and what makes it perform so well.